Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a holiday gift guide, and I know it's a little bit soon, but things are coming out already and there's already a few sets out there that are less than $50, and it's not really $50, but it's less than $40, but plus tax and everything it always goes above. So let's just say $45. Can we go with $45? Less than $45. So these are great if you want to give gifts for maybe work, or maybe you do a gift exchange, or you just want to give it to a friend. And I feel like these are great for so many skin tones, and you give that person options in case one thing doesn't work and maybe something else will, in like color or different tones or just something like that. So I have 4 sets here that I'm going to share with you today. So the first one being one that will work with pretty much everybody. So the first one is the Urban Decay Holiday Hall of Fame kit, and this one is $39, and you get 4 products in here. It comes in this cute little box, and so you don't even have to wrap it. Like, it is so cute like this. I mean, unless you want to wrap it or put it in a bag, but it is so cute like this. You can just put a little bow, and I don't know, it's just already cute. So I mean, who cares? Everybody's gonna throw away the outside anyways. So this one, like I said, it comes with 4 products. I have been using the mascara in here like crazy, which is this one, the Urban Decay Perversion. So that is how it looks. This is how you would get it, and it comes with a primer. This one is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is the original formula, and this one is a clear. It looks like it has some color to it, but it is completely clear once you apply it. Most likely, if you're giving something like this, is to someone who's either getting into makeup or trying to get into makeup, learning how, or already loves makeup. And everybody needs an eyeshadow primer in their kit or in their makeup collection, even if it's a small one, just because it helps out with eyeshadows, with how vibrant they are, with how long they last, with creasing. So many great things about an eyeshadow primer. So it's great that it comes in this one. And then a black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline pencil in the color Perversion. This is a, let me swatch it for you. I already swatched it once, but I'm gonna just show you how smooth that is with barely putting any pressure at all. So this one is a black one, and again, black, a lot of people use black eyeliner, whether they use it just on the lower lash line, on the top and lower, like the tight line, anywhere at all. This is such a great eyeliner. Or you can also use this one to create like a small little wing on top, or a little smoky wing. Like, so many uses for a black eyeliner that lasts a long time and also applies very smoothly and very, very black. It's very hard to find a good black eyeliner, and trust me, this one is one of my favorites. I buy this all the time. This is the only one that I use. And then again, the mascara. The mascara, I have a love-hate relationship with it because it is a very good formula, but it is a very wet formula. And I'm actually wearing it right now, and I do get messy with it because I don't have very long eyelashes. I don't have very big eyes, and I just feel like the brush is a little bit too big. But overall, the formula in here is great. It gives you a lot of volume. Not so much length, but it gives you volume. But anyways, this one is just a black mascara, and most people wear black mascara. And then the last thing in here is either going to be something that they haven't tried, if you're giving this to someone, something that they haven't tried, or something that they will already love if they already use setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter, which is a great setting spray. You just apply this all over your face whenever you're done with your makeup to help it last longer. And it also just helps with the makeup, like how can I say, like, it melts together in a way, and it just helps it look a little bit better. So not only will it make it last longer, but it'll make it look better. And like I said, if it's someone who's just getting into makeup, I think this is either going to be a nice new product for them to try, or just something that they already wear anyways. So another setting spray is always good to have. It's just a great value because I always buy the eyeliner anyways, so it does come with one. The only thing that I don't really use is the clear eyeshadow primer because I always just use my concealer. But again, this is a kit that you're most likely going to give away, so most people do wear eyeshadow primer. Not everybody wears concealer as their eyeshadow base. Okay, the next one is a lipstick set, and this is by Bare Minerals. It comes with some liquid lipsticks and also some lip glosses, and the ones that come in here, I'm gonna read it off the thing because I can't remember the names, but 2 of them are buttercream lip glosses. Then you get 2 other ones that are just regular lip lacquers, which are just liquid lipsticks. It gives you the full coverage of a liquid lipstick. It's not a lip gloss, but it's also not a matte liquid lipstick that's gonna dry down and stay put. And then lastly, you get 2 matte liquid lipsticks, and these are called the matte liquid lip colors. These first 2 are the lip glosses, or the buttercream lip glosses. This first one is called Must Have, and it is just a pink toned lip gloss. And then this one is a brown nude, not like a pink nude or a purple nude. It is just a brown nude. And this is also a lip gloss. So there you go. The 2 bigger ones are the lip lacquers. Like I said, these are like a regular lipstick, just like in a tube, not the matte kind. And this one is the pink one. And then you also get a nude one in here. So there you go, and they're all shiny. Like all 4 of these are shiny, none of these are matte, but again, you get the option of a pink and a nude. Lastly are the matte liquid lipsticks, and these are the small little tubes again. And then this one is a mauve nude shade. Last one from this kit is a pink nude shade, which these 2 are really pretty. But not everybody likes mattes, not everybody likes lipstick, like regular lipsticks or the matte drying liquid lipsticks. So this does give you a variety. It also gives you different tones in the different options. So like a pink nude, a regular nude, a pink nude, a warm nude. So just, you know, you get your options in this kit. And like I said, this is by Bare Minerals, and this one is $29. Okay, so getting to this lipstick set that I have been using a lot on my channel. I have used a lot of these lipsticks already in tutorials and stuff, and I wanted to put it back in here just to show you how the kit looks if you do decide to get it. Again, it is a very pretty packaging that you don't have to wrap up. This one either. It's like they're all really nice outside. So this one is by Tarte, and this one is $39, and it comes with 5 different matte lipsticks, and these are the Tarteist liquid lipsticks, and I've gotten these even in the mini versions of them whenever they come out, like in the holidays that they have, you know, previous years. And this time I was happy to see the full-size products, so you get 5 of them. Like I said, I am wearing one of them right now, and I'll tell you which one it is. But the first one here is a red one, is a deep red shade, very, very pretty. This one is called Vibin. The next one is a nude one, and this one is called Low Key. The only one that I haven't used in a look, I'm pretty sure, is this first one. I have not used that one, the deep red one. The one that I'm wearing right now is this one. This one is called Bling, and this one is like this pink nude that you see on my lips. Sometimes they do look different on different skin tones, but you get the idea based off of the swatches. And then this not last shade, but this shade is called Pillow Talk, and this one is a really, really nude. I personally don't like this all over my lips, but I do like to apply this one to highlight the center of my lips, because this one is a very light shade, and you can see right there it is like almost like my skin tone. So this one, it just makes it look a little too, it just doesn't look right on my skin tone. It just makes me look like I'm sick or something. And then the last one is, or I'll show you how I actually use it. I just apply a little bit. We're just gonna go ahead and play with the lipstick that I already have, just a little bit like that. Put my lips together, and I just always use my finger. It's just like, it makes it blend really easily. And there, just gives me like a little highlighted effect, just because I don't like to use the lipstick all over my lips. So I still get use out of it, but just like this. And since it's the same formula, it works with the lipstick. The last one is a bright red, and this one is called XOXO, and this is just a red that pretty much anybody can wear, especially like for holidays, for the parties. A lot of people like to wear red lipstick for, you know, those type of things. So there you get your option right here. And I feel like maybe if you're not sure if someone wears color, this one is a good set. Like I said, it's just the nudes. And then if you know that they might, you know, like a little bit of variety, this one is also a good one. So like I said, this one is $29, but this one is $39. I personally love this one more. I just like getting different options. I also love that it's full size. They're not like super duper long lasting to where they're gonna last you all day without transferring, or that they're like the type of matte liquid lipsticks that will you know, some of them just don't want to come off, but these do. These are not transfer proof. They will get on your water bottle, they will get on your cup, they'll get on your fork, spoon, whatever. They're not transfer proof, but they're very comfortable, and you can just take it off, reapply it, and it'll look nice. Or you can just go over it. Like, I was already wearing the purple lipstick from the tutorial that I filmed earlier, and once I applied the lighter one in the center, it didn't do anything weird, like to where it builds up and looks like cracky or anything. Nothing. They're just really comfortable, really nice liquid lipsticks. One of my favorite formulas in liquid lipsticks. This last set is the Becca Glow highlighter set, and this is one that I was really excited for the holiday releases that they were having this year. There's many more to come, I'm sure, but this is one of the ones that I really wanted to get. This is the Macaron collection. It has 4 different shades of highlighters in here. I have already used all of these, but I wanted to show you just how cute it looks. If you are giving it as a gift, again, little bow on top, not a big deal. It is so cute already that, I mean, anybody would love getting this. Anybody who loves highlighters or wants to try highlighters. Now, the only thing is that there is a purple and a pinky one in here. They're not like extremely colorful, but they are nice. Especially if you want like a little bit of variety. Who wants the same highlighter? Who wants 4 of the same highlighter, you know? So the first one in here is called Rose Quartz, and this, look how cute the packaging is. So cute. It's like their regular big packaging. It even has a little mirror. Like, that is the cutest thing ever. And they are kind of tiny, but they are just mini sizes, you know? This one is called Rose Quartz, and the quality of these are so nice and smooth. It's like the same quality, it's just in a mini form. I didn't feel like anything was weird on my face, or like it was powdery, or if it was like not a good highlighter. The quality seems the same, it's just in a mini form. And this one is the pink one. Like I said, it's pink. It does look pink in here, but it's not like too pink that's not wearable. This next one is Prismatic Amethyst, and this one has a purple tone to it. So here it is right here. It looks kind of white. Oh no, you can definitely see that it does have a little bit of purple. And here is the swatch right next to it. You can now tell the difference between the pink one and the purple one. So again, same little packaging, really cute, and they each have a mirror. They're just so adorable. And then the next one is Opal, and this is the one that I'm wearing right now. Underneath mine though, I am wearing a little bit of the CoverGirl. It's like a creamy highlighter. I just applied a little bit and then I went over it with this one. Not that this one doesn't do a good job on its own, I just wanted a little extra glow today for my tutorial. And this one is called Opal. This is a very popular shade from Becca, and this one has more of the gold tone to it. Very wearable in a lot of skin tones. I feel like this one's really nice. Like I said, it's the one that I'm wearing right now. It looks really nice. It's one of my favorites from this little collection. And then this one is also nice. It's a little bit light though on me, but it's wearable. Like, I can definitely wear it. This one is called Vanilla Quartz, and this is how this one looks. This one is more of the white yellowy highlighters, and like I said, it is wearable on me, but it is pretty light. Since they don't have different sets for different skin tones, it's like one has to work with as many people as possible. So this is how the little kit comes in, and I've just been storing them back in there so that way they can stay nice and neat. But this is the little last set I wanted to share with you guys. I'm sure there's gonna be way more holiday sets coming out. Oh, I didn't even tell you the price. This one is $40. And I did get this one from Sephora. So I mean, it's kind of $40, but you know, it depends on where you live. It's plus taxes. So yes, you guys, these are the sets that I wanted to include in today's video. Like I said, this is just what I have seen so far that caught my eye, and I feel like they're good product. I feel like they were a good variety, like to show you and to tell you about them a little bit and what I like about them and stuff. My most favorite kits, well, I want to say it's these two. Kind of, because I feel like I've been using this one and this one the most. But I mean, I do like the highlighters. So I think these are all worth it. I feel like it's a variety of different type of gift sets. And I know, like I said, it's still early, but the gift sets are already coming out. If you want to buy, you know, early, or you want to buy little by little, then you can kind of get an idea depending on who you're going to give something to. Maybe for work, maybe like I said, a family member or something. And things are already out there. So I'm just giving you a heads up to, you know, get you started on kind of helping you decide what you would like to buy. And I felt like it was helpful all in one video instead of doing like separate little videos on each one. This was just kind of like a little gift guide pretty much, and that way you can see the variety of different gift sets that they have out already. I'm sure there will be so much more because, like I said, we're in October, we still have until December, so I want to see what else they come out with, but so far these are the ones that caught my eye the most, and I wanted to share them with you in case you are interested in buying any of these, like I said, for somebody else or even for yourself. So let me know if you find any other sets out there that catch your eye so that way I can check them out too. And again, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye.